It's Syvon, man, and I'm back with another man. As you guys see by the thumbnail on the title, man. Yes, man. I know it's been a long while since we did a prank, man. First of all, we've been doing a lot, man. I'm gonna show you what's been going on behind me, but we've been doing a lot, so we haven't been getting the chance to do a video. But yeah, as you guys see by the thumbnail on the title, man, I'm gonna be doing a little cheeky prank, and I'm doing the I want a Jamaican girlfriend prank on my girlfriend to get a reaction. Basically, I'm just asking some Jamaican questions, or can she cook this for me? You know, some curry chicken, some, you know, stewed chicken, acting selfish, you know, stuff like that. She's probably gonna say, "Babe, I can't cook," which I know she can't. Then I'm gonna be like, I need a Jamaican girlfriend, some stuff that I don't know. I don't really think she yet. This was last minute. Right now she's washing clothes, so she's in the kitchen washing clothes. I mean, she's by the dryer washing clothes. So I need to hurry up. So, but yeah, man, I know it's been a while since we uploaded a video. I mean, we've been uploading, but not no banger, you know. But as you guys see by behind me, man, it's a whole lot going on behind me. You know, we've been getting new furniture and stuff, so we ain't really had the chance to record like that. You know, I mean, we could, but the guys, they've been in and out the last couple of days at the house, so they're still not done. So I'm like, man, y'all just slowing down the process, man. Y'all slowing down my career, you know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping to do this prank, man. I don't even know where to put the camera at. I'm fine, somewhere to put the camera. Before I start, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys comment in the videos I want to see from me. Oh no, don't comment. DM me, cause if you comment, she gonna see it too. DM me any pranks I want to see. And yeah, make sure you guys stay safe in the streets, you know. So I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere. I don't know what I'm gonna set it up at. I don't know, I'm looking around and see what I'm gonna set it up at. Subscribe, man, if you're new or something, man, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna dive into this prank. Set the camera up somewhere. The next time if the camera start up, the prank started. Remember, I want a Jamaican man with a yardie, isn't me? You know, I'm an American girl, you know? You know what I mean? Don't know, I just meant, but yeah, set the camera up and then we start back. Let's go. Baby, I'm so crazy.
A few moments later.
Actually,
3 days later.
Baby, let's go crazy. Yeah.
1 eternity later.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Bang! Bang! Bang!
Same place.
You hear me calling you? You jamming music, that's why you hear me calling you? You done washing your clothes?
Yeah.
Where the rest?
I couldn't carry all these in right now. Now we making love in a restroom.
Yes, come on. Let's make love. Yeah.
So you not to take my games.
Yeah.
You wanna play games?
But you know what I always want you to do? You know when you doing this? No. I always want you. Listen to me, man! Chop!
Okay.
I always want you to dance like a Jamaican.
Like a what?
Like a Jamaican.
How I'm gonna do that? How I'm gonna do that?
You know what? I show y'all a lot of Jamaican videos dancing before, and they broke it down. You know, I want you to go on top of your head. I want you to touch your toes. I'm gonna be back this thing like this. Like that, something like that. You know what I'm saying?
I can't do that.
Ah.
Like that?
What the fuck?
Like that? Like that? Let's sum up.
Do it.
Like that?
Yeah, but you gotta go on. Let me show you. You gotta go on your head. You know what I'm saying?
On my head?
Yeah, on your head.
On my head?
Babe, come on, babe. Babe, come on, man. You're not showing the Jamaican mentality in you, man.
A what?
You're not showing the Jamaican mentality in you.
I'm not Jamaican.
So, you can learn.
I'm not Jamaican. This how we dance. Bounce a bigger, bounce a bigger, bounce a bigger, bounce a bounce a bigger, 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 bigger.
What the fuck?
Bounce a bigger, bigger, bounce a bigger, bigger. Bounce a bigger, 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 bigger. Bounce a bigger, 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 bigger. Bounce a bigger, bigger, bounce a bigger, bigger, bounce a bigger, 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 bigger. Bounce a bigger, bigger, bounce a bigger, bigger, bounce a bigger, bigger, bigger.
All right, you're not getting the concept of what I'm trying to say.
That's how we dance.
That's not we. That I need the Jamaican culture. I need that. I'm not even gonna do it because, yeah, you know why. But I need the twerking. I need, you know, upon your head, jump off a tree type thing.
Who finna jump? Do I look like a monkey? Do I look like a gorilla? Do I look like I want to be losing limbs?
That's the thing about you.
I'm out of breath.
That's the thing about y'all Americans, man. Y'all, man, I need some Jamaican mentality in me.
Oh, man.
You come here and dances, I'm like, shit. Can you dance like I would dance back home?
No, I cannot dance like that.
Why?
Cause y'all be doing the most.
But it's not the move. It's
Yes,
it's
it
going
is.
into y'all.
Y'all look like y'all dry humping.
Yeah, let's go up on your neck, you know. Go up on your neck. You know, let's go up on your neck. And yeah.
Bet.
Pass. Yeah.
Bet.
Pass stuff like that. Do. Go on.
Huh?
Go on. Do. Go on. Here. Yeah.
Whoa.
Turkey, no.
Whoa. I got a fart.
Put the neck down.
Ooh.
You got what?
I got a fart.
Go on that shit.
Ow, my toe. Oh, I'm injured.
What can you do?
I can be me. Oh.
Can you cook Jamaican food?
Yeah.
Come with some curry chicken.
I'm not making some plantains.
Everybody know make plantains,
I can
but
make
you don't make the actual Jamaican plantains though.
Yes, I do. All
you
you gotta do is cut that bad boy up.
Alright, go make me some curry chicken with white rice right now. With potatoes in it. I'm not gonna help you. I want you to see you chop the chicken up, make the white rice.
No, cause y'all be using butcher's knife and just eat.
But how you gonna be my wife and my girlfriend but you don't know you can't cook curry chicken?
Because, boo, I'm American.
But
American.
I want Jamaican food.
Okay, you know how to make Jamaican food, right?
I do, but I want you to learn to make it. So when I'm there at work, I'm come home ready for my food. You just boom.
I'll just go to Cool Runnings and get some food and be like, babe,
That's not the same as actual cooking food. More different cooking
yes,
food.
it is. They cook it in the kitchen. I'm gonna cook it in the kitchen too. So it's just the same thing. The only difference is I'm gonna get it from them instead of getting it from the house. Boom, boom, bada bam, boom.
Sometimes I wish you could have two girlfriends.
Two girlfriends do it.
Cause you're not working out. You know, you're not clicking.
Clicking what?
I need Jamaican mentality in me.
You got Jamaican mentality in you.
My partner.
Okay, so why did you get with American if you wanted Jamaican?
Because
you shouldn't stay home.
You want to so the
what?
The punani, you know?
So you just want American punani?
Yeah,
that's it.
Just want to travel the world and check different culture.
Check what different culture?
Different culture.
I'm the only culture you had.
Shit, I'm finna about my old culture though.
No, you're not.
Because I need, man,
Don't hit me.
Because I need me a Jamaican girl in my life.
No, you're not.
Like, I haven't had that in my life.
You got your mama and your sister. That's all you need. Your auntie, cousins, that's all you need.
Somebody who can, like you, my partner, who can replace you. Somebody who can
how
about the guts, who can check it up and can start the guts again.
Jesus Christ.
Isn't it? This like more.
Okay, I can do that too.
No. You see, this turn around, this go on like
hey.
This, like that. But you can't manage that.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't cook, you can't dance. You don't have no.
I know how to cook. I know how to cook. Do you know how to cook? No, I know how to cook.
Not in microwave. Stove.
I know how to cook on the stove. I
go to work all 8-hour shift, come to this dry ass American food. I want some Jamaican food, bro.
First of all, our food ain't dry, so you gonna get that together right now, boo.
Well, at the end of the day, I don't know. Something gonna have to happen.
What's gonna have to happen?
I need my Jamaican girlfriend.
I'm right here.
You're Jamaican.
We all came from the same ass. Who you talking to?
Shut up,
Who you talking to?
Come on.
Don't push me.
Shut up, bro.
We all came from the same people. And you broke my toe.
Let me see.
It went back like this.
It's still on your foot, right? Okay. You don't have to be Jamaican, boy. I need you to at least learn how to cook like Jamaican.
I know how to cook Jamaican food.
I gave you the book.
What book?
I gave you a book.
What book?
No, I don't. I gave you a book. Online, you should learn no dance. You don't know do that. So
ain't nobody gonna learn how. Ain't no American gonna learn how to Jamaican. Don't.
You see, oh, me please you, boy. You could please me.
I do please you.
Me can't cook American and Jamaican food, but
no, you can't.
Yes,
you
I
cannot cook American food.
Yes, I can.
What, rice?
Yes, I can.
Chicken?
Yes, I can.
That's it.
That's one of the main things I eat, though.
No, it's not.
Yes, I do.
No, it's not.
Greens and stuff, I can do that.
No, you can't.
You talking about gumbo stuff?
Can you cook gumbo?
I can go online and learn how to cook that shit.
Okay, I can go online and learn how to cook your shit.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
Hell no.
Hell yes.
You ain't stop playing with me, bro.
What? I'm ready. Bring it. Bring it.
Well,
Bring it.
I'm gonna even Jamaican girlfriend then.
And I, oh,
Play with me.
I'm being that ass. I'm being that ass, bro.
Can a Jamaican girl do this?
Do what?
What I just did.
They're more aggressive than you.
I believe it too.
Exactly, you don't have that aggressiveness in you.
Because I'm nice.
I love my Caribbean girls, you know, so I need.
Okay, why you didn't get with a Caribbean girl? Why you didn't get with a Caribbean
As
girl?
I said, Malik.
Why you didn't get with a Caribbean girl? Don't come over here messing with me with all that stuff. I don't care about you wanting to test the waters and travel across the world and get punani all over the world. I don't care about that. If you wanted a Jamaican girl, you should have got with a Jamaican girl. Don't get with me. Don't waste my time. Because I could have got with a Hispanic. Now what? I could have got with a Hispanic.
Listen.
I could have got with a Hispanic.
It's never too late, you know. I can go get my Jamaican. We got
Go get her.
We can
Go get her.
You can get Hispanic.
Go get her.
You feel me?
Go get her.
You see where we're going right now?
Go get her.
Then you can. I can.
Go get her.
Then you can.
Go get her. Go
Let
get
me
her.
talk.
Go get
Let me
her.
talk.
Go get her.
Are you gonna
Go
leave?
get her.
Are you gonna leave?
No.
Why?
I'm not going nowhere.
So she ain't just come here, right?
Go get her.
So
No, she cannot.
So she don't go.
You gonna meet her at the street.
Let's go with me.
That's fine with me.
That's fine with me.
Okay.
So,
Okay, bye.
You want me to
Bye.
leave?
Bye. Bye.
So this is the thing. This is the concept I'm trying to tell you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Go get your girl. Go get your girl.
So you're gonna get the Hispanic dude, right? It's
Yeah.
gonna be even now, 50-50. You got your man. You say you got your. You got you a different culture. I got my different culture. Man, I'm going back to my old culture. See, the culture thing right here ain't work. So it might work with you for Hispanics. You know, you've been on Hispanics all your life. I never been on Americans when I met you.
boy, if you don't.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
a lie.
Huh?
That's a lie.
I mean, not been with one, like being one together. You know, I'm pretty sure you've been Hispanic dude, right?
Yes.
So you see, you can just go back to that culture.
You sound real stupid right now.
I'm gonna go with my culture, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. My culture, they can dance, cook, fight, all that. They
I can
finish
fight.
all that.
I can fight. I can
I'm
fight.
not talking about this. Look at my hair.
I don't pull hair, boo.
What you do?
I don't pull
What you
hair.
do?
I got 6 brothers. Play with it.
Okay.
Play with it.
You can, okay.
Play
Your
with
brothers
it.
and you is two different things. You
Play
say you
with
can
it.
fight.
I got 6 brothers I grew up in the household with. Play
So
with
they
it.
say you know how to fight?
Play with it.
All right, well, I'm gonna get my Jamaican chick. Go with my culture. You know what I'm saying?
Go back to your culture.
My yam,
Go back to
banana,
your culture. Go
dumpling.
back to your culture. Eat your ground roots. Go back to your culture. Eat your roots that don't even taste like nothing. Go on, go back.
See, I'm not-
Go on, go back.
That's cool.
That's cool with me.
All right, go leave.
All right, bye. Give me shit.
See, go ahead there. Where you taking my phone? That's what guys get. Whoa, what are you doing?
You see this? You see this?
But,
You know what?
But it's a
For wasting my damn time
It's a prank.
because I could have been with somebody else. I could have been doing my own
It's a
stuff.
prank.
I don't care if it's a prank.
It's a prank. It's a
I don't care. You shouldn't have said that.
It's a
I
prank.
could have been doing my own stuff. I could be at home right now.
It's a prank. It's a prank. I was just playing.
Move, cause now you play too much.
Move.
Move. Get off.
Chill.
You gotta get up. 5, 4,
Come
3,
on.
2.
Chill.
Get off me.
Look, the camera's right there. Chill.
No, cause you always wasting my time. Move.
Look, the camera's right there. Look. Camera's right there. Look, see?
I'll punch you. You get on my nerves. Now you gonna have to clean this up.
Look. Ouch. Guys, look what you did, man. I don't know if y'all see it on the camera right now, but just show us on the ground. Gotcha. Ay, 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 mamacita. Ooh. You
annoying.
Man, it's just a
You
prank,
play
man.
too much. I don't care.
You got your feelings?
No. A
Yes, you
thug
did.
never get in their
Guys, she got in your feelings.
A thug. A gangster.
She got in her feelings. You got in your feelings. You got in your feelings. She got in your feelings, right, guys? Yeah, you got in your feelings. You got in your feelings. Anyways, man, I'm going to end this video, man. If you're bored, did a good reaction.
He did not.
Get a good syvon. Comment down below, man. T and Syvon, spam it up, man. As I said, you guys DM me some other pranks y'all want me to do. Right now, I'm finna go cook. I'm finna go cook with some Jamaican food because she can't cook.
Yes, I can.
All she wanna do is eat out at McDonald's when she
No,
Burger
I
King.
don't. I don't even eat McDonald's. I only drink that sweet tea, so shut up.
Alright, man. Man, love and peace, man. I love y'all the support, man. Have a good day. Peace.